electronologist here. How do you do? Welcome to this series of DC-DC power converters. In this video, first we see what do the DC converters do. These power converters do two things generally. The first one is that they reduce the DC voltage level or a buck operation or a step down operation. The second thing, they increase the DC voltage level or a boost operation or a step up operation. To do these operations, there are two types of converters. The first one is isolated one and the second one is non-isolated converters. The non-isolated converters have the common negative or a positive for the input and output side. Whereas in non-converters, the transformer to obtain an DC isolation between the input and output or a multiple output. It means that in isolated converters, there is no electrical connection between the input and output, whereas in non-isolated converters, there is a physical electrical connection between the input and output of the converter. In this series of lecture, first we will see the working, operation, design and construction of non-isolated converters. Then after that, we will jump towards the isolated. Three most commonly used types of non-isolated converters are buck converter or a step-down converter, boost converter or a step-up converter, buck-boost converter. This is the third one. As from the screen, it is clear that the first converter is capable of converting 12 volt into 5 volt, thus it is buck converter, and similarly, the boost converter is capable of converting 5 volt into 12 volt, and similarly, at the last, we can see the 5 volt can be converted into minus 10 volt. Whether it is a boost operation, however, the output is negative. This converter is capable of converting the voltages from the level less than 5 and the more than 5. So, but the output will be inverted. This, you may say, this is an inverted converter without having the capability of operation in buck and boost both. All of these converters operates in two modes of operation. The first one is CCM or a continuous conduction mode. In this mode of operation, the inductor current remains positive throughout the operation period, and the second one is DCM, that is continuous conduction mode, where the inductor current remains zero for some of the time in the switching period. This is all about the introduction of converters. In the next video, we will see the buck converter and learn all about it, mathematical expressions and all the things more. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe the channel to get more updates of it. Thank you for watching this video. Stay happy and safe.